X is way different from the other OPPO smartphones available in the market. It comes with a brand new design, which claims to be a fusion of technology and art. We think OPPO is spot on that one, as the Find X looks gorgeous and beautiful. It has what OPPO calls a panoramic design with holeless front and rear panels of 3D glass. The sides tapers towards the frame for that seamless feel. It actually reminds us of the design of the Samsung Galaxy S9. It has a 6.4-inch OLED 1080p display and covers almost the entire front of the device. OPPO calls this the panoramic arc screen with an impressive 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. It was able to achieve this by not using the notch design. The back also has a 3D arc and features a gradient design that shows a colorful effect depending on the lighting and viewing angle. OPPO says that it used the multifaceted color process to achieve that effect. When it comes to color options, we have Bordeaux Red and Glacier Blue. Now onto what makes the OPPO Find X unique, the stealth 3D cameras. OPPO was able to achieve that holeless front and back by using a sliding structure to hide the cameras within the body of the phone. When not in use, it provides a sleek and uniform exterior. When activated, the camera automatically slides up to reveal the 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual rear cameras and a 25 megapixel front camera. You might be asking, where's the fingerprint scanner? Nope, it doesn't feature an in-display fingerprint scanner similar to what Vivo has on the Nex. Instead, it has a 3D face recognition technology called O-Face Recognition, which uses a 3D structured light module that is also housed in the sliding mechanism. This module consists of a flood illuminator, infrared camera, proximity sensor, dot projector, receiver, and RGB camera. The 3D structured light module can project 15,000 dots, building a precise and complete 3D module of a user's face, and then compares with the registered face of the owner to unlock. It also works with the front camera to produce selfies with various light effects and animated 3D emojis called 3D Emoji. In addition, the O-Face recognition also offers support for mobile payment by integrating with Alibaba's Alipay. Now for the rest of the specs. The OPPO Find X is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage, dual SIM connectivity with LTE, ColorOS 5.1 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, and a 3730 mAh battery with VOOC fast charging. It also has a built-in Google Assistant and smart low power consumption mic with DSP module to ensure high activation success rate. And that sums up our quick hands-on of the OPPO Find X. We'll provide you with more information about this device in our full review. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified of our new content. Again, this is Louis. I'll see you in our next one.